Hello and welcome to the class on normal distribution. We studied that the probability can be distributed according to the nature of the variable. The discrete probability distributions are binomial distribution and Poisson distribution, whereas continuous probability distribution includes normal distribution. The probability of a discrete variable can be expressed with the help of a bar diagram, whereas the continuous probability is distributed with the help of histogram in order to ensure the continuity of the continuous variable. The parameters of binomial distribution are small n, small p and small q, and the distribution is given by the expression of p plus q raised to n, whereas the parameters of Poisson distribution is the mean small m, and the Poisson distribution is given by the expression of e raised to minus m into e raised to plus m. The mathematical model of continuous variable is given by the normal distribution, which is also known as error law, normal law, or Gaussian law or Laplacian law. The probability distribution of normal distribution is derived by its graphical expression known as normal curve. The normal curve is a typical bell-shaped symmetrical curve. For example, if the data of milk production of 95 cows is expressed with the help of frequency distribution table, the continuous probability distribution of this data can be expressed with the help of histogram or with the help of histogram and frequency curve. The shape of frequency curve can be observed over here. If we apply the mathematical equation yi is equal to capital N divided by sigma into under root 2 pi multiplied by e raised to minus xi minus x bar divided by 2 sigma square, then the probability distribution function of the given variates can be obtained as shown in the given table. And if we plot probability density functions on a graph, the curve appears normal symmetrical curve. The arrow denotes the mean of the given data. The mean of the given data is 22.49684 kilograms, whereas standard deviation of the data is 7.21449 kilograms. The shape of frequency curve is something like this, whereas the probability distribution function gives us an exact normal curve. The difference between the frequency curve and probability distribution function is expressed in the given slide. The total area under the curve equals to total probability, that is 1. Now, if we calculate the z-scores with the help of the formula xi minus x bar divided by standard deviation, then we are likely to obtain standard normal deviates of each variate. And if these standard normal variates are plotted on x-axis with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1, the given distribution is known as standard normal distribution. The area under curve equals to 1, that is total probability. The x-axis actually denotes standard deviation and the mean of the given population. The area between plus and minus 1 phenotypic standard deviation includes 68.27% of the given observations. The area between plus and minus 2 standard deviation includes 95.46% of observations, whereas the area between plus and minus 3 standard deviation includes 99.73% of the observations. For normal distribution, the given mathematical equation can be modified to 1 upon under root twice pi multiplied by e raised to minus z square divided by 2, where we have assumed total number of observations as 1, phenotypic standard deviation as 1, and mean of the given population as 0. The properties of the normal curve can be enlisted as given below. The typical normal curve is a unimodal, perfectly bell-shaped, symmetrical curve. The tails of the curve are asymptotic. Mean is equal to median, which is equal to mode. The total area under the normal curve is equal to the total probability, that is 1. The area under the curve between any two values of z represents the probability that any observation chosen at random will fall between the values of the variable which corresponds to those two values. For example, let the mean be 0, x1 be the value of the variable at a distance z1 from the origin, and x2 be the value of the variable at a distance of z2 from the origin. Then, the area under the curve between the ordinates drawn at x1 and x2 is the probability that any value of x lies between x1 and x2. The coefficient of skewness of normal curve is 0. The measure of kurtosis is 3. Two quartiles are equidistant from the median. The curve changes its shape at -1 and at +1 standard deviations. The quartile deviation is 2/3 of the standard deviation. The mean deviation is 4/5 of the standard deviation. 68.27% of observations lie between mean minus 1 standard deviation and mean plus 1 standard deviation. 95% of observations lie between plus and minus 1.96 standard deviations, whereas 99% of observations lie between plus and minus 2.5 standard deviations. Thank you.